Salad of the day is a very simple combination of pan-fried and fresh vegetables. You will love this combination because of the salad dressing. To start with, I have added some carrot slices along with some finely chopped purple cabbage and some tomatoes. I'm also adding some pan-fried broccoli and some yellow squash. Now, the sauce is a really interesting one. To make this sauce, you need a slice of avocado and some lemon juice and some olive oil. Make a fine paste with this, then add salt and pepper and some hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are really optional. If you want, you can replace it with some roasted sesame seeds. Now, pour this salad dressing over your salad and give it a nice mix. And now your salad is ready to be served. If you like the salad recipe, please try it and let me know your feedback. See you soon with another salad recipe. Bye.